Make sure all seats are in the upright position and trays are put away before we take off.
So you don't know what you're doing, and the walls are closing in. Just remember where we're going, and remember where we've been. We can breathe underwater. Nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where we are. When I do hear the ocean's roar. If you ever think it's pointless, I will remind you that it's not. And the world will dance around us. They wanna know what we've got.